In this video, I'll be sharing my top 4 favorite apps that I use for my schoolwork or content creations. It's Aenish and welcome to this video. Before starting this video, I just want to thank every single one of you who have subscribed to this channel. We have officially reached 100 subscribers and I had no idea that I would have been able to hit that mark this sooner, but yes, I guess it happened. The Notion video really took off and people thought to join this channel, and yeah, so huge thank you for everyone who have subscribed. So coming to our today's video, firstly, this is another thing that I recommend anyone to try, or I'm basically sharing my own views and opinions, so basically do your own research thing and just try it out. To save time, here are some of these top 4 favorite apps, and I will also timestamp in the description box so that if you have already known about some certain apps, then you won't have to go through all the videos and you can skip directly towards those certain part that you haven't known. And yeah, it is a win-win situation for both of us. And yeah, so starting number 1 is Notion. So this is the app that I have been using for a very long period of time now. I guess it is like about 6 months or 7 months already, and I use this app for my school notes and content creation till now. So I like the way of style and the user interface, all those style and many more, that it simply helps me to get organized and simply gets my work done. So but what I have experienced is that since from my childhood was completely in the physical notes, I'm having a problem. Like I'm having a trouble memorizing the stuff via digital notes rather than simply physical notes, which I was doing from my childhood period. So that is only downfall for my side. It is not the Notion fault, but it is the downfall for myself, because I wasn't programmed that way from very beginning, but I'm trying that thing right now. So that is the only thing that was downfall for me, and the rest of the app is pretty flawless and you should give a try if you haven't tried it, and if you just want to get organized your tasks, daily tasks into a digital format. So that is a huge go from my side. And starting number 2 is photoscan. So this app is which I wish I had way back before. With the help of this app, I can convert any image file that have text into directly a convertible text, so that I can simply copy the same exact text within a second, rather than I have to type all those texts. I recently found this app, so I can't say much about this app, which I don't know it how does it performs in its accuracy form for converting the text images into text, but I'm pretty sure that it is flawless app like Notion. It is worthwhile to consider it into my favorite app bucket list for now. So number 3 is Listary. So I have a problem while finding files in my computers. I have a lot more files in my computer than I have to have, but yeah, simply I have more files, and when I try to search that files, I have way more difficulty in finding those that files, and it takes a lot of time to find those apps. So Listary is a game changer app for myself, because it helps in those types of situations. Simply double clicking the control enables this app, and simply searching the file name can basically give your file, basically pop-ups shows your file where it contains, and it simply opens the file where you have saved, and basically it is huge time saver for me. Also there is an Alfred, which is way more better than Listary, which is only available for Listary is only available for Windows, but Alfred is way more advanced than Listary. So but Alfred is only for Mac. So if you have Mac, then definitely you should try this app. If you have aren't using Alfred, then you are missing something that something very important from being a Mac user. So since I don't have a Mac, so I'm stuck with Listary. So yeah, the number 4 is Greenshot. I use this app way more in my online classes than any normal days like these times. Yeah, because when I use Greenshot for capturing those selected areas slides, those teachers slides that when they present to us and we have no clue what they were talking. So I simply just captured those screenshot and put it into Notions and make a notes about that after the classes, so I use that Greenshot very often in that period of time. But nowadays I'm not having those classes, so I'm not using that more often. So if you're still having an online university classes like that stuff, then you should definitely try Greenshot app, because snipping tool is more time consuming than Greenshot, because Greenshot can automatically instantly it can crop your selected images into a screenshot, and you can simply copy and paste it into your note taking apps like Notions or OneNote or Evernote, any of the note taking system that you prefer. Yeah, that is basically, I guess, that is the whole thing that I want to just share into this video. Just want to give some knowledge and insights about the thing that my favorite things about the apps section. So basically that is for this video, and again, huge thank you for 100 subscribers. And if you are still watching this video this time, then you are truly a huge OZ subscribers, and I appreciate you. And if you have any questions related to these types of topics, then do comment down below. I'll try to answer it in my very best way. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed for more content. And yeah, I will catch you guys pretty soon. Until that time, peace out.